Hey guys, my name is Zoraan, and do you know what I love doing the most? Helping my mom with her shoots, learning camera from Pratik Bhaiya, and troubling Naseem Bhai. I have so much fun doing this. So together, we are going to cook some yummy and healthy food for you. So guys, welcome to my show. Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of Cooking with Zoraan. So as you can see, today I'm at my aunt's house, Aunt Nisha. And I must tell you, she's an amazing cook. So I asked her to make something special for us. So Auntie, what are we cooking today?
Hello everyone, and a very happy Vishu to everyone who is watching us at this wonderful show called Cooking with Zoraan. Since it's the auspicious occasion of Vishu, we've decided to make a staple Kerala Sadhya dish called Pachadi. A pachadi can be made from either a beetroot or a ripe banana that you get only in the south, or a cucumber or a pineapple. So, what are we making today, Zoraan?
I think we are cooking some pineapple pachadi, as pineapple is a summer fruit and everybody loves pineapples. So let's get cooking! Let's get to it!
So, as you can see, we are going to use pineapple, coconut, crushed mustard, green chilies, red chilies, a bit of sugar, a pinch of turmeric, curry leaves, mustard for tadka, cumin and salt to taste. We will also be using curd in our recipe. So first we'll boil the pineapple. We add the two slit green chilies, salt to taste, pinch of turmeric, pinch of red chili powder, and approximately 1 cup of water, just so that the pineapple is covered in the water. So now we cook the pineapple till it's almost well done. The water has to almost evaporate. So while the pineapple is cooking, we will grind the coconut to a fine paste. Okay, for the coconut paste, we take 5 tablespoons of coconut.
Last one.
1/4 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Okay, now we have to add crushed mustard, but we won't be adding it right away, because if you add it right away, it will get a little bitter. So we add it at the end. A bit of water, and now we grind it to a paste. This is done. Now we add just 1/4 teaspoon of mustard. Now just a spin, that's it. So now you can see this is a fine paste. Now this we'll add to the pineapple that is already cooked. So here the pineapple is done. So to this we add the coconut paste. So we let this cook for another 5 minutes. Now according to the sweetness that you desire, you put in a bit of sugar.
Okay, what next? What next?
And finally we add the curd. And let it simmer for a minute. Now the curd, I've beaten it in the mixie. So now let it simmer for a minute. Okay. So while this is being done, let's prepare for the
Tadka.
tadka. Yes.
Okay, so how do you make the tadka?
So first we pour a bit of coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
So since we are preparing a Kerala dish, I always use coconut oil. So once the oil is hot, 1 spoon of mustard. How does that sound?
It actually sounds like popcorn. What is it? Is it all popping out?
Yeah, so it's supposed to pop out. We put 3 red chilies and quite a few curry leaves.
Now it's smoking up.
Smelling good, right?
Yeah. This is what I call cooking now.
Okay, so this, we switch this off. So now we pour this over the, wow. When it's done. Okay, Zoraan, let's taste, baby.
I know it's delicious.
Yes.
Wow, it's so yummy.
Yeah? I'm glad you liked it.
Thank you. So guys, this is very yummy and delicious and juicy. Thank you Nishadi for the recipe. I really had a lot of fun cooking with you today.
Me too.
Me too?
Yeah.
Me too. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this refreshing pineapple recipe.
I want you to try it and let us know in the comments below how you liked it.
So thank you for watching us.
Thank you.
Thank you. So if you like what we are doing, like and share our video, comment down below what should we be cooking next time for you. Keep watching us every Friday on Zakasa. Thank you. Thank you.